Hey guys, what's going on? Nick's WRX here. We are back with another video. As you can tell, car looks great right now, but if you know from something in my previous videos and about my other build, I like to stand out and I like to have certain aspects of the car that, you know, is not something that you'll see just driving around on every other Subaru WRX around. As you can tell from my last video, this was filmed before I install the paint match front lip and the paint match side skirts, which is going to be uploaded before this. I am now going to upgrade the wheels. I love the TEVs. These are the Japanese TEV spec. They're the regular TEs, but they have that little lip in them just to make them stand out a little bit more with the stance. So as you can tell, I'm at about, like, I think that's like -5 or 6 in the rear. And for the front, I think it's like -3 or something like that. That's just the top hats being maxed. And yeah, as you can tell, I mean, it looks functional. It drives perfectly normal. And let me be honest with you, you can't even tell there's camber on the car at all because it's so minimal. So I'm going to show you guys right now. I just went up and picked the wheels up a few minutes ago. So I'm going to cut to that clip right now and show you guys what I picked up. All right, guys, so here we are. And we just picked up a set of the Work VSXs. I've had probably about 3 of these in my lifetime already on all different cars, and I love them. By far my favorite looking wheel on every car. I had them for my M3 and I've had them for the Subaru 2 times, 2 different sets, and I can't get enough of them. These, as you can tell, don't get me wrong, they are a little beat up. Definitely gonna need some love before I throw these on, and these are the perfect set for me to do that to. They have 2 brand new barrels on them, and the other 2 are on the car already just for a test fit. They are super wide, so I'm gonna need a little bit more camber. As you can tell from the previous clip, I don't really have too crazy a camber, but these are them. They are the chrome lips with it's like the rosy color finish on the inside, which honestly is going to make them stand out crazy. And I am so excited to you know, run these in my next build. So I'm going to cut to the clip right now of me having them on the car. I've only fit 2 sides so far, so let me cut to that. All right, guys, so as you can tell from the previous clip, I do have the 2 on the car already. They look absolutely insane on the car. It's just they are a little they don't fit too well because of the need for the added camber. So as you can tell from the front, definitely gonna need a few degrees of camber. And from the back, well, yes, as you can tell, they look like garbage right now with the so slight amount of camber that I have. So I'm definitely gonna need to add some. But for the look of the wheels wise, to go with the white, I think they go perfectly. And I cannot get over the look of this front. It looks absolutely insane. And I'm so excited for these, to make these fit. I have all the stance parts already needed because I've had them on my first car. So all I really need to do is just take it to a shop. My friends over at Top of the Line, and they're going to adjust everything for me and have it set up for me. So I'll catch you guys in the next clip. It's going to be quite a while, so let me catch up with you guys in a little bit. Hey guys, what's going on? So we're back here just inside, a little change of scenery with 2 packages. The next one's going to be for a video a little later, but this one's going to drastically benefit the car right now with how we're fitting the new wheels on the car. So this is a package from Racer X, as you can tell. Let's get her opened up here. We have the lower control arms for the WRX, obviously. Well, a lot of packaging here. Yeah, this is live. I just opened the box. So these are the front lowers. These are needed for any bit of camber that you need for the front, so it doesn't just pull everything out when you go big camber. Perfect, beautiful. This is my second set, so I'm not gonna lie, I already really kind of know what I was dealing with. But I am going right now to drop it off. I'm so busy with work this week that my friend is going to help me install them. I'm just going to throw him some money, and we're going to, you know, get that sorted out like that, because, you know, I would love to do it on the channel, but I'm so busy with work. The next few installs are going to be all in the driveway like usual. All right, I'm going to head over there now, and I'll catch you guys when it's finished. Hey everybody. Well, I just picked up the car, and Yeah, you can see what I'm looking at, just like I am. And it is a bit crazy. Definitely a bit crazy. It looks pretty sick though. The wheels are actually really nice. I love the wheels. I'm thinking about getting them redone so that they fit a little bit better in the rear. I think the rears are -12 and the front are -10. This is it from the back right here. I'm gonna be taking the carbon trunk off. I hate the fitment with the carbon trunk. All right, I'm gonna go to another spot and show you guys some more clips. But yeah, this is just a little much for my liking, but we're gonna dial in the fitment and hopefully get this thing sitting right. So I'll catch you guys in the next clip here. All right, we are back at the house. Just picked up the car, and this is it aired up right now at its current ride height. I mean, I'd say it's pretty decent. It's just that rear fitment is crazy. I still, in the next video here, have the front lip, the side skirts, and the rear spats to install, which I have not got to yet because I literally just picked up the car. But yeah, I mean, it looks great aired out. I got some more tweaking and stuff to do. But yeah, what do you guys think? I mean, drop something in the comments. A bit much, I know that for a fact, but this car also gets, I mean, driven once a week to some shows, and that's about it. So, you know, the car's only got 26,000 miles on it. And, you know, I keep everything that I have, all the aftermarket parts. So, God forbid anything happens, it's right back to normal. Yeah, so I'm keeping the carbon fiber hood on. Love how that looks. But the trunk, this thing is, well, it's beat, and I got somebody who wants to buy it and fix it up. So you know what? It's better in his hands than mine. But yeah, here's just another look from the back. The car is filthy. Like I said, it's been sitting for quite some time. But yeah, guys, what do you guys think? Let me know your opinions, your comments. I love the wheels. Love them. I'm going to definitely get them redone so they fit a little bit better. But yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments. I appreciate it. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much. I'm working to get some more content out there for you guys, so I will catch you guys in the next one. As always, be safe, and see you guys later.